practitioner di Jakarta dan merupakan members kepada Board of Indonesia Society of Landscape Architects Islam, Head of Pencinta Anggrek Indonesia East Jakarta Region. Inilah dia anggrek ya. Anggrek Jakarta kita bawa ke Kota Kinabalu pada pagi ini dan merupakan Head of Ragi City of City Park Development dan banyak lagi. Kalau kita nampak di sini sangat hebat Ibu Anja dan terima kasih kerana sudi datang dan berkongsi pengalaman bersama dengan kami di KK ya, insyaAllah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi. In bahasa we say that salam sejahtera for everybody all here. Thank you for having me here. It's a very highly appreciate, so I can share what we do have in Indonesia, especially the next new capital city will be in Borneo, inshallah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Almost the same. That's my would like to share with you is what our roles in the participation menjayakan inisiatif hijau. Okay, this is me in my responsible in my country. I don't have to reading all for you. It will be very difficult. But what I would like to share, being a landscape architect, you can take a part in any other profession. Especially now, we have a Green Product Council Indonesia. Okay, then they ask me, what your landscape architect part of the green building? I said a lot, because since the green building, when you want to make a vertical garden, when would you like to make a roof garden, you cannot invite the landscape architect from the beginning. You cannot invite the landscape architect when you finish phase of the design. Otherwise, your roof garden will be collapsed because it's not calculate the structure from the beginning. Okay, and also I was as one of the jury from the International Federation Landscape Architect in the world for 4 years to choose the landscape architect the best in the world. Okay, and thank you for the International Federation Landscape Architect. They put me as a 16 woman in the world for the landscape architect. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that's 2021. So I think one from Japan, and then Korea, and then me from the Asia. Okay. What I would like to share with you here is the other profession. You know, usually my colleagues from structure engineer always asking me, what are you gonna do? You know, as a landscape architect, especially for the new capital city. Now in Borneo, we have a very bad quality of the soil and we don't have any water there. From the heterogen, from the rainforest, since 1991, they changed almost 200,000 meter square, close to 1 million meter square. From the rainforest, they changed to the homogen, to the eucalyptus, for paper pulp only. They ruin all our rainforest there. And then now our president would like to make a new capital city because in Borneo we don't have, in Borneo in our part, we don't have the volcano. So Java until Sulawesi all with volcano. Okay, so that's what they are afraid, you know, we always have an earthquake. In Borneo, in the new capital city we don't have any earthquake, but then the soil is very bad. Okay, when the professor of structure engineer asked me what you're gonna do, I said I need a landscape architect also has to go to the laboratory for the soil texture, for the soil fertile, you know, how can we make it? Our president make the KPI, 50 to 75% of our area there should be green. How can you make green without the water? So all is become 5%. That's the landscape architect has to have a big role. Okay, from before the profession of landscape architect, For 30 experience my profession, I have all. I have nursery. I'm the one who export the plant to the world from Indonesia. Until I have a consultant of design, I have contractor, I have maintenance management, and I have to compete with the other profession. Okay, this is may I standing? Doctor, it's difficult. Okay, so in our country, our start to develop for our young generation, especially for the vocational school. This is like a senior high school. This what we do like always. We have the national competition for the vocational school. There's around 17, but the maintenance all the students from Java. It's not fair. So I ask also government, our president make in Lombok for the new tourism area instead just Bali. But who will maintain the landscape there? It should be student there. That's we starting talking about the vocational industry. Okay, so our student from the senior high school, they should start can make their own money. That's to improve our economy. They can do very small, simple maintenance for their own tourism area. That's our purpose, you know. So every step here, we measure how they make the brick, measure by millimeter. This is we follow the rules of the world scale under ILO. So we have to compete because otherwise, before the winners always Europe country, very precisely. When they're making the wooden bench, even the screw, they put it very light, something like that. But I'm afraid next year, this year should be in Lyon in France, the world scale competition. China will be the winner. Because when China joined, they took all the medals, almost all, yeah? Okay, this is the way, this is we follow, yeah? The world scale competition since 2019 we follow, yeah? And then our the training center is in my company. Also, we encourage the government to follow all the rules and to put the budget. It's very difficult to have the budget. Okay, this is a benefit of gardening. Everybody knows. And then the very difficult one also to encourage our government to put the budget for the landscape and gardening. Usually only 1% from the total budget. 1% in the for the landscape budget, but for the new capital city cannot anymore. They already make a special budget from design until maintenance. Not the rest of the budget from the main contractor construction. When they have a profit, they put for the landscape. But they don't have the profit. They just take it from any other and then they just plan. Now cannot anymore. So for the good and health and well-being, we do. We said to the government, no, it's not something like that. Okay? Yeah, this is in Quran. They said that janganlah kamu berbuat kerusakan di muka bumi. Sudah Allah menjadikannya makmur dan teratur dengan sebaik-baiknya. Yang demikian itu lebih baik bagi kamu. Sudah betul, kamu orang yang beriman. Demikian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih Bu Anja, semangat kita ya. Dan dapat kita tahu juga, we learn about how Nusantara design and development is going on. And thank you Bu Anja for sharing with us. But one thing for Iron Lady Bu Anja, she definitely cannot sit down, kan? Semangat tu membara gitu ya. Jadi thank you.
Our soil. That's the problem. Because all eucalyptus tidak menghujam ke bumi ke akar. That's why we don't have any water inside. The good thing is if our laborers there maybe mandi seminggu cuma 2 kali. Our local people there, they have to tampung air hujan ya, rainwater harvesting. Some air hujan juga masam. Yeah, that's why now we making the we call that embung or we call that detention pond. Detention pond. So we looking
everywhere the area is good to make a detention pond. Some of the profession of the structure engineer, they not allow a landscape architect to make the retention pond. Some area, why? Because if we keep the water there and the water infiltration to the soil, it will damage also the structure. So it's very complicated there. If the retention pond not organic from a long time ago, we not allowed to make it. Because any deep water coming inside, the structure it will be very high cost to make the even only 8 apartment.
Each story building.
It will collapse because the soil for the clay shell, we call that, batu bara muda, batu bara tua, it will damage. So it's very complicated there. So the solution is nature-based solution. Now we make it so many detention pond. We keep it retention pond that's already there. We keep it as long as possible there, as long with the structure engineer allow us to keep. So they cannot working alone. The structure engineer, landscape nggak bisa juga bekerja sendiri. We still have to hand in hand to solve this problem. Otherwise, this new capital city become like what we call that in Myanmar, in Peru, that they left behind the city because they don't have any clean water anymore. Thus, we don't want to have that in the future. When we said to the future, if doctor said also, the climate change here, we call that the 2034 SDG. 2030 is another 6 years.
6 years to come.
Yeah, 6 years. And in our new capital city, it's already happened. So that's why now any single trees we keep it, or we planting all back our trees and plant for our biodiversity and for our ecosystem services. Ecosystem services is to provide the water not only for the human but also for our birds, for our insect, for our the other things that we have to put it back as before. Because the president said this new capital city, we cannot compete with the Europe, the other country. That they have already with the high technology. So what we can do is we build the new capital city surrounding our biodiversity. That's what we can do. Starting from.
Thank you, Engineer Anjala.
Universiti Malaysia Sabah.
Saya hormati sekalian. Terlebih dahulu, saya mengucapkan rasa kesyukuran kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa.
1.